Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are doing something a little different. This is going to be a 15 facts about me. They are going to be beauty related and life related, kind of just all mixed in, so let's get into it. Number one, I hate exercising. Hate exercising. I wish I was one of those people that would love to wake up and go running, or they just grew up in, and it was just part of their life and it was just something that they just did and it wasn't an issue for them. It's a chore for me. I would rather set myself on fire. Number two, I have 3 children. I have 2 daughters and a son. They're pretty damn awesome. Number 3, my favorite drugstore makeup brands are Makeup Revolution, ColourPop, and Morphe, hands down. Number 4, I didn't actually start caring about makeup until I was in my mid-20s. I remember looking back at pictures when I was a teenager in school and everything, and whereas I remember being girls and they'd have eyeliner on and they just looked all put together in the morning. That wasn't me. I'd rather sleep. Number 5, my favorite high-end products or brands are Kat Von D, Viseart, and Nude Sticks. Number 6, I'm deathly allergic to odd numbers. Something bad will happen. I start to sweat, I get nervous. Something bad is definitely going to happen if an odd number comes in contact with me. If I see one, 7, I started coloring my hair when I was 14. I couldn't actually tell you the real color of it. Number 8, I actually started this channel with a good friend of mine who ended up, if you go all the way to the beginning of my videos, you'll see me with another person. Her name's Danny. She ended up moving not long after we started our channel, so I ended up alone. Love you. Number 9, my favorite makeup items are definitely highlighter and, as of recently, colored brows. 10, I thought with my whole heart that I made the most incredible chocolate chip cookies ever until Griffin's mom schooled me. Oh, she schooled me hard. Showed up at my doorstep, dropped off some cookies. She says it's from the back of a package, but it's not. You're lying, Griffin's mom. Number 11, my first, if memory serves, makeup palette that I ever bought was the Urban Decay Naked One. P.S. If you're just getting into makeup, it's an amazing palette to start with. Number 12, I didn't get my driver's license until I was 21 because I was scared shitless. I almost hit a tree on the way home from my driver's test and getting my license. My sister almost insisted that I turn around and return my license to them. They've made a mistake. Number 13, my favorite smell of things, whether it be perfume or just something in the air, is cookies, baked goods, whatever, hyacinth flowers, and newborn babies. Number 14, my favorite eyeshadow combo is orange, reds, and yellows. Oddly enough though, I don't wear any of those colors. I don't wear the clothes, shoes, nothing I wear on the rest of my body will ever be orange, yellow, or red. Number 15, I love surprises. And here's one for you. This is actually a giveaway video, so if you've made it to the end, congratulations. And if you'd like to be entered, this is what you have to do. Make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment below, but not just any comment. I'm doing a Q&A soon, and these are the questions that I'm going to answer. So you can leave any question you want to know about me below. It can be beauty related, life related, whatever. And the rest of the details will be in the box below. So make sure you read them before you enter, and also make sure you leave me the best way to contact you. And this is what you could win. First is the Physicians Formula Butter Collection Palette in light medium. It comes with bronzer, blush, 2 new highlighters, and the Butter Paradise perfume. I'm not a fan of perfume, but I know a ton of people are, so hopefully if you win this, you'll like it as well. And if you don't, you get a ton of cool other stuff. The next thing is from Eco Tools. It is their highlighting brush, or the controlled setting brush. This is my favorite highlighter brush in the world. I have one for myself. I use it every single day. I love it. And I'm pretty sure you will too. The last 2 things are lip products. One is from Smashbox. It's this pretty metallic bronze color, and one is by Huda Beauty, and it is in Snobby in this gorgeous kind of rose gold lip strobe kind of color. So if you'd like to be entered to win, make sure again that you read the directions below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Good luck. Bye guys.